Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel icon, so that little icon right there, from an iPhone or an Android phone. So the first thing we need to do once we're in the YouTube app is simply select the icon in the top right, and then go to your channel. Once you're on your channel here and you're logged into the channel that you want to change the icon on, go ahead and hit the gear right here. And then once you're in the channel settings, select the three dots in the top right, and select Help and Feedback. So what we need to do is search channel icon right here. So once you're on the support page, go ahead and select the search box and start typing channel icon. So as you can see right here, what we want to select is manage your channel icon. It's going to bring us to this page right here. What we need to do is click this link that'll take us to our Google account settings. Select your browser. Once the Google About Me page opens up, it may not be on the correct YouTube channel. So what you need to do to make sure you're on the right YouTube channel is simply select the icon in the top right of the browser window, and you'll see a drop down that contains all the different brand accounts or YouTube accounts that you have. Go ahead and select the YouTube account you want to change the icon for. I'm going to do Gauging Gadgets. Then once we have the Google About Me page loaded for the correct YouTube account, what we want to do is select the little pencil right here next to the icon. Now it's allowing us to edit the icon. What we need to do is select the icon. If you've already uploaded the picture to Google, you can select it from the list here. You can also choose to have no photo as your channel icon if you want to. But to upload the picture from your phone, what you need to do is select Upload Photo. Then simply find the image on your phone and select it. It's going to upload it. And now within this screen, we can actually crop the image, change the size of the box, make sure that it looks the way we want it and is aligned in a way where it will look good on your channel. Once you've completed that, just select Done in the top right. And then as you can see, it's updating my channel icon, and then boom, there we go. The channel icon has been updated for Gauging Gadgets. And just a quick shout out to Autumn B Crafts. She designed the new Gauging Gadgets icon. I'll have a link to her store in the description. And now when we go back to the Gauging Gadgets channel right here, you can see that the new icon is showing up. So that's how you change your YouTube channel icon on an iOS or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.